Rutherford's model atom. This is a diagram. Rutherford in 1911 proposed a nuclear model of atom on the basis of alpha particle scattering experiment. Now he bombarded alpha particle, which is the doubly charged helium particle, on a thin gold foil about 100 nanometer thickness, and he observed the beams in the circular fluorescent skin, that means zinc sulfide screen around it. Okay. Now see here, this is the image where this is the beam of alpha particle, which is doubly charged helium particles, okay, and this is the atom where the center placed is nucleus. And what happens here is the observance. When the alpha particle bombarded on the gold foil, what is the observation? First observation is most of the alpha particles pass through the gold foil without any appreciable deviation from the path. See here, this is the first, this is the majority of alpha rays which pass through the atom. Here this is the pass through the atom. When some of the alpha particle pass through the atom, then what is the conclusion? That means most of the space in the atom is empty. Okay. Now, second observation is some of the alpha particles got deflected by small angles from their original path. Some of the alpha particles got deflected on this in small angles from their original path. Okay, these few are the particles which are deflected. What is the conclusion? The positive charge concentrated in a very small amount, which is called nucleus, repelled or deflected by the positive particle. That means when the alpha particles come in contact with the nucleus slightly, then they deflected to their path. That means there is a repulsion occurs. That is why the alpha particles are deflected. Okay. Now, third observation is a very few of them is rebounded from their path. See here, a very few of them is rebounded. Rebounded means क्योंकि the alpha particles are positively charged and nucleus is also positively charged. That means same charge, there is a repulsion takes place. So when these positively charged helium particles or alpha particles bombarded to the center of the nucleus, which is mass, that means the whole mass of the atom is concentrated here. That is when there is a bombardment occurs here, then that will be bounced back. And conclusion here, the volume occupied by the centrally placed nucleus is negligibly small as compared to the total volume of the atom. Total atom के comparison में the nucleus is placed in a certain smaller portion in the center of the atom, which is a positively charged heavy mass nucleus. Okay. Now, so according to Rutherford's model, what are the points? First point is the positively charged and most of the mass of the atom is concentrated in the center, which is known as the nucleus. Second is the nucleus is surrounded by negative charge electrons, which is more that means move around the nucleus with a very high speed in circular path called orbits. And third point is the electrons and nucleus are held together by electrostatic force of attraction. Okay. Now then what is the drawbacks of Rutherford's model atom? This model did not account for the stability of the atom. Second point is the model does not explain the electron structure atom. That means the distribution of electrons around nucleus and their energies. That means the force of attraction occurs between the nucleus as well as the electrons. That is not explained. As well as what is the energy. That means either energy is absorbed or energy is released. So he did not explain about this. Okay.